Hello guys, welcome back to OctaCoder. Today I am going to show you how to deploy your React project on Vercel in just a few simple steps. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, this tutorial will make deploying your app super easy. By the end of this video, you will have your React app live on the web, ready to share with the world. So without further ado, let's dive in and get this app online. So let's get started with deploying our React project on Vercel for free. So here's the React app we created previously. Let me run this app npm start. This is the step component app that we have built before. What this app can do, let's see. It has previous and next button along with steps and a central message. Let's see how it works. Clicking next button takes you to the next step, updating the message dynamically. Clicking previous navigates back. The messages update at each steps on. Step 2, it says OctaCoder YouTube. And on step 3, it reminds you to subscribe. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This app is a simple navigation component. If you want to learn how to build it, scan the QR code on the screen or check out the link in the description below. Right now, the app is running on localhost. But what if you want to showcase it in your portfolio, share it with interviewers, or access it without your laptop? That's where Vercel comes in. Vercel is a free hosting platform that makes it easy to deploy front-end projects. We won't go into too many technical details in this video, but if you are a first-time learner, check out my previous video where I explain the basics. Before deploying, you need to upload your project to GitHub. I have already uploaded this app to my OctaCoder GitHub repository. If you are unsure how to do this, check out my earlier video where I walk you through the step-by-step process. Now, let's deploy our React app on Vercel. Let's open Vercel and log into your account. Make sure your GitHub account is connected to Vercel. We are now on the Vercel dashboard. As you can see, I have previously hosted the Octa Travel app here. Today, we'll deploy our step components. Here, what you need to do is just click this add new drop-down button and select project. Then here, you'll see all your GitHub repositories. So let me search our step component here, then click on import button. Then here, you can rename the project if you want or just keep it as it is. The framework preset is already set to React. If your app uses a different framework like Next.js or Angular or any other, make sure to select the correct one. The root directory doesn't need any changes, so just click on deploy button. As you can see, deployment process started and it's done. Congratulations, you just deployed a new project. Click continue to dashboard and you'll see your project's live domain. Click the link and there you go. Your app is live. You can now share this link with anyone, making it easy for them to access what you have created. If you want to check out this app, go to the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. You'll be redirected to this app. Okay, so check out and let me know your feedback in the comments. Once again, huge congratulations on achieving this important milestone. Your React app is now deployed on a real production server. Make sure to share this video with your friends and fellow developers so they can deploy their projects too. So that's it. Thank you for watching and learning from my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and share. Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Thank you for your support. Happy coding and see you in the next one.